All Parties Hurriyat Conference Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the additional deployment of Indian troops in Kashmir under the pretext of security measures for the Amarnath Yatra has made lives of the Kashmiri people miserable. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said blanket security is provided to facilitate the Amarnath pilgrims, whereas Kashmiri Muslims are deprived of performing their religious rites, including Eid prayers. As fresh batch of 4,903 pilgrims left the base camp to join the annual pilgrimage to the 3,800-meter high cave shrine in the South Kashmir on Sunday, the Amarnath Yatra has become a militarized pilgrimage since Modi came to power in India. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, since the rise of Hindutva politics in India, the number of yatris to the Amarnath cave in South Kashmir has rapidly increased. Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, while expressing its profound grief and sorrow over the death of the veteran trade union leader Sampak Prakash, has termed his demise as a great loss. In a statement issued in Srinagar, the DFP, on behalf of its incarcerated chairman Shabir Ahmad Shah, extended heartfelt sympathies and condolences to the bereaved family. India's dreaded investigation agency has conducted raids at the residences of Muslim youth at multiple locations across 3 states in India in a bid to defame the local Muslim community as well as Pakistan at home and abroad. The authorities associated the targeted Muslims as workers of a so-called Ghazwa-e-Hind organization. Senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader Balli Bhagat has said that the Article 370 was the biggest impediment to integration of occupied Jammu and Kashmir into India. On the other hand, one of the oil tanker driver was killed and several people were injured in a road accident at 2 places in occupied Kashmir. The oil tanker rolled down from Shaitani Nala on Jammu-Srinagar highway, leading to the death of the driver. Muslims now have the lowest acid and consumption levels among major religious groups in India. Unit level data provided in the latest All India Debt and Investment Survey and periodic labor force survey show the sinister efforts by a section of leaders to marginalize the Muslim community by breaking the economic backbone seem to be systematically giving fruit.